Cook. I cook dinner.
Cooked. I cooked dinner.
Will cook. I will cook dinner.
Eat. I eat breakfast. Eat. I ate breakfast.
Will eat. I will eat breakfast.
Read. I read a book.
Read. I read a book yesterday.
Will read. I will read a book.
Write. I write a letter.
Wrote. I wrote a letter.
Will write. I will write a letter. Make. I make a chair.
Made. I made a chair.
Will make. I will make a chair.
Learn. I learned English.
Learned. I learned English.
Will learn. I will learn English. Clean. I clean my room.
Cleaned. I cleaned my room.
Will clean. I will clean my room. Speak. I speak English.
Spoke. I spoke English.
Will speak. I will speak English.
Play. I play cricket.
Played. I played cricket.
Will play. I will play cricket.
Go. I go shopping.
Went. I went shopping.
Will go. I will go to shopping. Buy. I buy vegetables.
Bought. I bought vegetables.
Will buy. I will buy vegetables.
Sell. I sell fruits.
Sold. I sold fruits.
Will sell. I will sell fruits.
Close. I close the door.
Closed. I closed the door.
Will close. I will close the door.
Wash my hands.
Washed. I washed my hands.
Will wash. I will wash my hands. Keys.
Like. I like rice.
Liked. I liked rice.
Will like. I will like rice. Help. I help my mother.
Helped. I helped my mother.
Will help. I will help my mother. Drink. I drink water.
Drank. I drank water.
Will drink. I will drink water.
See? I see a cow.
Saw. I saw a cow.
Will see. I will see a cow.
Listen. I listen to music.
Listened. I listened to music.
Will listen. I will listen to music.